Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial video. My name is Precious aka Presh Beats, and today we'll be treating how to fit an acapella to a beat. Hit the subscribe button and notification icon if you haven't done so. Let's go. So I'll go ahead to play the track so that we hear how it sounds before we go over to working on it. So let's go.
School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock.
Okay, you can hear that the beat is way faster than the vocal. They are not synchronized at all. So let's go over to fitting them together. But before we continue, make sure that this box stretch box is checked. Then move over to the beat, select this icon, right click, select detect to tempo. Then I already know that the tempo is between 50 to 100 bpm, so I go for it. So the tempo is around 89.995 beat per minute. Yes. Now let's do this, make it.
School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock.
Okay, the acapella is still way slower than the beat, so let's fit it out now. Okay, I'm dragging it, and
School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock.
I think take it back a little.
School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom is standing.
Okay, from here to here sounds fitted. Let's hear it again.
School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom is standing by.
Okay, so we have here to here synchronized, but here is not yet synchronized, so let's fix that.
School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. Let me mix. School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from. School is like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my hobby things. Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She
Okay.
pulled out.
Okay, we have that synchronized now.
Hobby things. Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock.
Okay, this part is not yet synchronized, so I'll cut that, slice that, and continue.
Hobby things. Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. Hobby
Let's try
things.
it again.
Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock.
Okay,
Hobby things. Mom is standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. Other things. My mom was standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. Other things. My mom was standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock.
Still faster.
Other things. My mom was standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. Let me explain. You know, other things. My mom was standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock.
Okay.
School is like a slaughterhouse. Now the bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my other things. My mom was standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. Let me explain. You know, when it's late at night and you gotta do business, turn on the light, prepares on a visit. Shit's so tight, don't wanna miss this. Open the drawer and grab your special sock, cause you know what time it is tonight, it's time to rock.
Not really synchronized accord here, and make it sound synchronized.
Let me explain. You know, when it's Let me explain. You know, when it's late at night. Let me explain. You know, when it's late at night and you gotta do business, turn on the light, prepares on a visit. Shit's so tight, don't wanna miss this. Open the drawer and grab your special sock, cause you know what time it is tonight, it's time to rock.
Yeah.
Stop, and wait a second. This wasn't something I was prepared for.
Yes, that's...
Hoping, begging for, protecting.
Yeah, it's not synchronized, so take it off to somewhere. So let's try this out.
My mom was standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. My mom was standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock.
Okay, nice synchronized.
Let me explain. You know, when it's late at night and you gotta do business, turn on the light, prepares on a visit. Shit's so tight, don't wanna miss this. Open the drawer and grab your special sock, cause you know what time it is tonight, it's time to rock.
Okay, let's go.
Stop, and wait a sec. This wasn't something I was prepared for, or to expect. Hoping, begging for a savior, to protect. Had absolutely no time to react. Her leaning forward, to attack. She put her hands around my neck. Oh heck, this is how I die right back, yep.
Okay, I think they all sound fitted now, so I'm gonna take it off from beginning to the end so that you can hear for yourself.
School is like a slaughterhouse. Now the bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my other things. My mom was standing by the door outside the block. She pulled out something from her back, it was my poop sock. Let me explain. You know, when it's late at night and you gotta do business, turn on the light, prepares on a visit. Shit's so tight, don't wanna miss this. Open the drawer and grab your special sock, cause you know what time it is tonight, it's time to rock.
It sounds perfect.
Stop, and wait a sec. This wasn't something I was prepared for, or to expect. Hoping, begging for a savior, to protect. Had absolutely no time to react. Her leaning forward, to attack. She put her hands around my neck. Oh heck, this is how I die right back, yep.
Perfect. You can see that they are all synchronized now. So guys, that's how you fit acapella to beat on FL Studio. If you have any question or suggestion, please drop them in the comment box. See you soon.
Feels like a slaughterhouse. Not a bell rings, walking to my house. Can't wait to do my other things. Mama standing by the door outside the block. She